Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. I'm all about the zoom in and the zoom out today. We are going to get you to make a wombat noise.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Okay, just make a wombat.
They grunt a lot, I know that.
They do grunt a lot.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're unboxing a Wombat.
The Wombats! Go for it.
I'm actually pretty excited about this one.
Really?
Yes, this was meant to be delivered weeks ago. I've been hanging out for it.
Alright, cool. We have, that's what I'm going to call it, stacks of wombats. Stacks of wombats. 1, 2, 3, oh that's 4 boxes, okay. That's not too bad. 4 boxes, 300 in each.
Yeah, should be, I think we ordered 1,250, but there's 1,200 here,
now,
and I'm hoping...
Just very quickly, just in case, for our new subscribers, because we've got about, well, we have a bunch of new subscribers every day now. If you haven't seen how Perth Mint products come packaged, first they come in an outer box. And so that's a box of 300. Then in each box, you've got 3 of those, and they're sealed boxes of 100 coins in each. Now let's open one of those.
That's only 4 capsulated coins.
4 capsulated coins, not for kangaroos and things like that. Just for like your kookaburras, your koalas and all that. Fantastic. And then they come shrink-wrapped rolls of 20 in each.
They do.
And then some bright spark gets their fingernail out. Yes. Alright. Hold it up nice and close to the camera there.
You're going to hold it up there?
Yes.
Then you're going to get the shakes.
Get the shakes. Beautiful. Alright. The Perth Mint 2021 Silver Wombat.
Quite like that.
That's quite nice. Let's see how close detail. Ooh, it's got a tiny little baby wombat in your hand there. Yeah, look at that. Let's see how close we can get. Beautiful. Look at that detail on the sort of on the outside around the wombat.
Yeah, I love the
that?
Laurels. Would you call it
Laurels
of leaves?
Yeah.
Around the outside. I think that's
sure.
I've done a great job with it.
Let's turn it over, please.
They haven't made him look angry.
That's I think it was last time it looked like an angry wombat, wasn't it? Lovely.
It was the last koala.
Last koala.
Still think he
Oh,
looks
that's
cranky.
right. That's true. And her Madge on the back, of course, worth a whopping $1 fiat in Australian dollar terms. Beautiful. All right. And will this be available for sale once they see this video?
It will be. It will be on the website. We'll list 900 on the web.
Okay.
We'll keep 300 for over-the-counter sales in the store.
Yep.
Yeah, that's probably about it from that, isn't it?
Wow, that was this is a boring one. We just basically introed.
Boring? It's beautiful.
We introed, opened, showed it, and see ya.
What's a gathering of wombats called?
A gathering of wombats. Is this a joke?
No, I actually have no idea. You should never ask questions you don't know the answers to.
Okay, I don't know. If someone knows the answer to what's a grouping of wombats, please let us know in the comments below. Head over to bullionnow.com.au and get a wombat. As you said, 900 online, 300 for in-store only. Once they're gone, they're gone. I don't want to create, fake demand and all that sort of stuff, but do you happen to know, is this the only bunch we're getting, or is
this
there
the only bunch we're getting? No, they're sold, as far as I'm aware, they're sold out at Perth Mint and pretty much everywhere else.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the last ones that these are the only ones we're getting in.
Okay, all right.
So, yeah.
All right.
That's it.
Well, create that demand there, young man. That's good. All right.
Oh, you'll see what happens, but...
it's the truth. So
yeah,
is
that
what
one
it is.
And just as a side topic, you need to keep a good lookout for what we release on May 3rd.
Hang on.
May 3rd. You don't know anything about this one yet.
No, I don't.
Sorry, I slipped that one in
May
without
the
you
3rd.
noticing. There's a big release on May 3rd, assuming all the stars align. And then there's also a special coming on May the 4th. I'm not going to do my Darth Vader impression.
And also with you.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, but May the 3rd, okay.
So there'll be a release. There should be a release on May the 3rd.
Okay.
That one's a bit on the skids. We don't know definitely, but definitely there'll be a special on May the 4th. Okay. Stay tuned.
All right, I shall. All right, head over to bullionnow.com.au. I'll put a specific link to the wombats and get a buying, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.